Once we finish the block of trial, we'll get the block summary information. This is an example of a correct only block. So the only important thing here is the accuracy of my responses. You will see on the left-hand side a lot of information about your performance. So how many correct answers you had, how many incorrect answers you had. If you are now in the baseline or regular blocks, you will also get information about your reaction time, so how quickly you responded. And in this case, it's separated for when the target was present and when the target was absent. Again, you have the overall accuracy here and how many points you accrued for this specific block. Again, part of the idea in CPAT is that we are trying to get more and more points. And as I told you earlier, once you get to the regular blocks, that's when you can get more than just 1 point per correct response. So if you responded quickly, then you'll get more points, for instance, 1.5. So you'll get different numbers here. The other thing you see in this page is the session progress. So how many blocks you've completed out of the total blocks that are planned for this session. In this case, I've just completed 2 blocks and I had 4 blocks. So I still have 2 more blocks to complete. And the other information here again is how many very good answers I had and how many excellent answers. Again, this is only relevant once I got to the regular block stage, where we get this immediate feedback as well, again, relative to our baseline performance. So very good answers will be answers or responses that were as quick as the responses during our baseline, and excellent answers will be those responses that were particularly quicker than how we performed in our baseline. Okay, so this is the summary of our performance in this block. And another thing we can put here is we can type in any kind of comment that we want to record for this block. For instance, very good in focusing on task. Like that, for instance. Or maybe we wanted to mention some other things that happened during performing this block, or any kind of other information or comment that we think is relevant and good for us to record.